electronics. All about electronics.
Okay, I will just show this demo start of this project to this automatic toll collection system. I just press this reset button to this Arduino first, and it display this welcome to the Just Electronics automatic toll collection system. Hi, welcome to Pune. Okay, this is the Pune toll collection system. Okay, in right now is the gate will be open. I just pass out the first IR sensor to my car. The gate will be closed and I'm not paying the amount, and I try to just pass out this car, but it's not possible. First you pay this amount, then your car will be possible to pass out. Okay, then I just paying this amount. Successfully paid your bill. Your remaining balance is 0 rupees. And see, I try to pass out my second IR sensor and the gate will be open easily, and I just pass out this very easily. So this component, which component I use in this project? First I use this Arduino Uno microcontroller board. Second I use this 16:2 LCD display with I2C model. Third I use this 4x4 keypad model. Fourth I use this MG995 servo motor. Fifth I use this RC522 RFID reader model and this 2 RFID tag, and I use these 2 IR sensors. Okay, I will just explain the circuit diagram of this project. In this circuit diagram I use this Arduino Uno microcontroller board and the 16:2 LCD display, and I use these 2 IR sensors. Okay, I will just explain this where I connected all these components. I use this 16:2 LCD display, and the 16:2 LCD display connected to this SCL pin to the A5 pin number and SDA pin to this A4 pin number, and the ground is connected to the ground. VCC connected to this 5 volt. Okay, and this 2 IR sensor, I mean the in or out directing IR sensor, is connected to this pin number A3 or A2. Okay, and the VCC both of this connected to this 5 volt, and the ground will be connected to this ground. Okay, and here I use this RFID RC522 RFID model, and I just show you this where I connect to all these pins. Okay, see the SDA pin connected to this pin number 10, and this SCK pin connected to this pin number 13. MOSI connected to this pin number 11, MISO connected to this pin number 12. Okay, and the ground will be connected to the ground, and the this reset pin connected to the pin number 8. Okay, and here I just given this VCC is the 3.3 volt, not a 5 volt. Okay, and this is the 4x4 keypad, and is only working on this one wire. Okay, this is this voltage, not a voltage, this is the all this register connected to this like this. See, in this upper end side, I mean this column side, I connected to this register 1k, and this row inside I just connected to this 4.7k kilo ohms registers. Okay, you just do this same circuit diagram, then your keyboard, I mean this keypad working this properly. Okay, and see this 1k is connected to this this last terminal connected to this ground, and the VCC connected here is the 5 volt, and this A0 pin connected to this here. Okay, please do it this very carefully. Okay, and yeah, I use this MG995 servo motor, and this servo motor is this required this PWM signal, that's why I just connected to this pin number 9. Okay, and I just given this VCC is the 5 volt and the ground is the ground. Okay, this is the total whole circuit diagram of this project. I hope you get all the things. Okay, if you want to the circuit diagram, then please visit my website. I will already provide this circuit diagram and the code in my website. Okay, I will just show this which hardware I use in this project. In this project I use this first Arduino Uno microcontroller board and the 4x4 keypad, and I use this RC55522 RFID reader module and two IR sensor. First one the open this this entry gate, and this the second one the exit gate. Okay, and I use this MG995 servo motor to open this gate, and I use this 16:2 LCD display with I2C model to displaying this all details. This how much the your amount and how much you amount to recharge it. Okay, this is the complete hardware of this project. And yeah, I use this 3 RFID card. Okay, this is the complete hardware of this project. This code, how this code is work. Okay, you want to this add 4 library, this RFID library, one wire keypad library, servo motor.h library, and the liquid crystal I2C.h library. Okay, here I just define all these libraries. This I2C library, RFID library, one wire keypad library, servo motor.h library. Okay, and I just define the because I use this 16:2 LCD display, that's why I just define this I2C address is 27 and this is 16/2. Okay, and here I just connected to this IR sensors, pin number A2 and A3, and I just define this buzzer pin is A6. Okay, if you want to this add buzzer, you add it, otherwise you just ignore it. Okay, and I just connected to this pin number RST and SS to this Arduino pin number 8 and 10. And if you want to the recharge, put your card balance in this code through, just you add this change here. I just put this code is the 2000 rupees first card, and the second card balance I just put is the 400 rupees only. Okay, here I define all this this keypad, how this keypad is work, because I use this 4x4 keypad. Okay, in this wide setup I just defining this input and output pins. Okay, I just defining this input and output pins. The IR sensor is the working of this input sensor, that's why I just define here the sensor is the one is the input and sensor 2 is the input, and the buzzer will be output. Okay, just I define this buzzer will be output. Okay, and I just connect to the servo motor pin number D9. The servo motor require this PWM signal, that's why I just connected to this pin 9 to the servo motor. And if you want to customize your LCD, what you display in this LCD, you just define here automatic toll collection system, you just edit here also. Okay, in this wired loop I just defining this all the LCD, how this LCD work, when you put this card, then what is LCD display. Okay, and here I just define this suppose if IR sensor detecting this any car, then the servo down, the servo up, how this work. Okay, in this wired sensor read is I read this always to this IR sensor data, and I always read the sensor data, and the wired RFID is the find out this you just put this RFID card number here. First you scan your RFID card, then you find out the your the secret code. Okay, and you just put here. I use this 2 RFID card, that's why I just coding to this 2 RFID. And if you use this mode RFID card, then you put this define mode and you put there. Okay, this is the recharge mode, and this all these function of this LCD display. I will explain all this code, I hope you get all the things. Okay, I will just upload this code. I just go to the tools, select board and select port. Okay, I will just compile this code. I will just I just click this compile button. Okay, see in the right side is the he said that this first you save this code. Okay, I will just save this code, Arduino basis toll collection system. Okay, I just save it. See in the right hand side is the compiling is the process. Okay, suppose if your code is the 100% working and they say the right side shows this is double compiling, is not any error in this code. Okay, you just upload it here this upload this Arduino Uno microcontroller and you use it. Okay, I will just directly show this demo instead of this project. This is the automatic tool collection system. Okay, and I just explain this project, how this project is work. Suppose this is my car and I just pass out to this toll collection system, and the toll collection system is the mounting these two IR sensor and one RC552 RFID reader module, and the gate will be controlled with the help of this servo motor MG995 servo motor, and this main controller is the Arduino Uno microcontroller, and I use this 4x4 keypad to recharge this card. Okay, this is the RFID versus access this toll collection system. I will just show you. See, when I see, right now is the gate will be open. When I cross this first IR sensor, the gate will be automatically closed, and I'm not paying this amount. Okay, and I try to just pass out this directly, but the gate will be not open. See, okay, first I reach this pay this amount, then gate will be open. I try to pay this amount. Is display successfully paid. Your remaining balance is the 500 rupees, and I try to try to pass out this second IR sensor, and this see what happened. The gate will be open or not. See, the gate will be open, and I just pass out this easily. Okay, this car is the pass out the easily, very easily. Okay, the first this first car is the pass out this when you pay, then is pass out easily. I try to pass out my second card. The gate will be not open. I try to pass out, but is not this happened. I try to pay this bill. First. See, is display this where balance is low. Then what you do, you just recharge your card with the help of this keypad. See, is the said that enter the amount. I just recharge my card is the 5,555 rupees, and I press hash button. See, your current balance is the 585.55 k rupees, and is display. Okay, then I pass out again, and I try to pay this bill. I try to just pay this bill. See, this successfully is paid balance, and your remaining balance is the 5,355 rupees. Total balance is the right now this without paying this amount, then is the 5,855 rupees. Okay, I am paying 500 rupees, and then I pass out. See, the gate will be open easily, and I just pass out. Try to pass out my third array. This is not a this valid card. It's not registered to this toll collection system. I just pass out. See, the gate will be closed, and I pass out like this. It's not possible. First I pay this amount. Okay, I just scan this card. This display unknown vehicle detected, access denied. This vehicle is not registered to this toll collection system, that's why it's not paying this amount. Okay, and the gate will be not open. See, okay, this is the totally toll collection system. I hope you get all the things, and if you get all the things, please hit the like button, share with all the friends. If you live in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.